Hi everyone, I'm Hana and welcome to A Day in the Life as an Intern at BSA Law. I made my way into the office at DIFC and got myself seated at my desk. The first thing I usually do when I start the day is check and respond to any emails I got and find out what my tasks are. Once I have that sorted, of course, I made my way to the pantry with my fellow intern Ruth and we got ourselves a cup of coffee. After I got my caffeine, it's time to get started on my tasks. Firstly, I had to draft and send out a pre-action letter to provide legal notice on the behalf of our client. Then I actually had a call with the third party that was contractually involved with our client. So I went to the auditorium, which is definitely my favorite place in the office. It's really cozy and perfect for calls and meetings with these booths. Then at around 1:30, Ruth and I went down to have lunch in our favorite spot in ICD Brookfield. And of course I got a matcha from Trio. And then we came back to the office and I started another task which I found super cool because it was a fusion of employment law and intellectual property. Here I was doing some contract reviews and answering a client's queries on the matter. I'm a bit old school, so I need everything printed out. I cross-referenced the agreements with relevant legislation and made note of important fines. Once I was done, I sent it to the partner handling the case, and before you know it, it was 6:30 and time to clock out. Bye!